Hello, this is Brian Rezny, president of Rezny Wealth Management, bringing an important update about the economy and the investment markets. U.S. economy is doing quite well. We've had some volatility, which I want to address today. Repeatedly, not only this year, last year, the last 10 years that I've been doing video updates like this for clients, every update I warn every investor, including our clients, expect volatility. It's normal, folks. There's nothing you're going to do to get away from it unless you stick your money in the bank, and you know what that's going to get you today. Volatility is normal. We have no clients, none, that are going to spend all their money in the next 3 years. They're going to spend pieces of their money over the next 10, 20, 30 years, meeting your long-term investors for income growth or a combination of the two. Do not be an emotional investor. Those who make emotional decisions, hey, Brian, do you think we should put our money on the sidelines right now and wait for the dust to settle and then get back in? That is an awful, awful decision you will make. History has shown that investors who act emotionally often make a substantial reduction in returns and actually create bigger losses in their portfolio. I've been managing money for over 30 years. I've seen a lot of volatility in my day, and I will tell you, we have very few clients that ever call our office to change investment direction, meaning sell and go to cash. Very few in the history of our firm. The ones that have done that, every single time, I can tell you, they have lost money, locked in losses, and often get back in a new high, whether it's 3 months down the road or 3 years. Making emotional decisions is bad. Using gut reactions and opinions is also bad. Remember, learn from others' mistakes. Volatility is normal. You have to accept it if you're trying to make a return on your money over the long term. And we have no clients at our firm that are not long-term investors for income growth or a combination of the two. But of course, if you've got a concern, give the office a call. We'd love to talk to you. Send us an email. But better yet, I'd rather talk to you on the phone if you're that concerned. Maybe we could talk a little bit more common sense so you can make better, more rational decisions. The coronavirus will be like any other virus. It's going to come and go. MRSA, SARS, and others. Other situations globally have happened. Volatility is normal. Remember, every asset category has inter-year volatility, not just the stock market, the bond market, gold, and real estate all have volatility. 8 to 10% pullbacks every single year often occur at least once or twice. 3 to 5% pullbacks often occur at least a half a dozen to a dozen times every calendar year. Most people don't remember them because most people don't remember what they had for dinner last week, so you kind of forget them when things get rosy again. Remember, volatility is your friend. Accept it, embrace it, but if you've got concerns, please do call the office. I'd love to speak with you. As always, our economy is growing. Our president's doing a great job, and I firmly believe that we are on the road for greener pastures. But again, expect volatility. This may last another couple weeks. It may last a couple months, but ultimately the dust will clear like it has in every other situation like this from history. But remember, history often repeats itself when you make emotional decisions. So don't be an emotional investor. Don't do the wrong things with your money. You'll be glad you took that advice over the longer term. Make sure you have yourself a safe and profitable day.